Hello and welcome to another Naughty Egg Draw. I'm your lovely host Jake, and today I have a question for you. Do you like cute cartoon characters? No, not cute like, you have a crush on a character kind of cute, but more like a cute fuzzy little bear kind of cute. Well, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take very simple shapes like a circle and a square and create a cute cartoon character a lot like this one right up here. So sometimes I really find myself enjoying very simple cartoon characters. A lot of times they end up being very cute, though sometimes you can make them pretty terrifying. A lot of times they're very simple to draw, and I actually really enjoy drawing characters like that in my sketchbook because it can really get me out of a drawing funk when I'm in one. Now I do plan to do some of the work on my nifty drawing tablet here, but I'm also going to be doing some drawings on paper for those of you who enjoy that traditional style and maybe you don't have a drawing tablet like this. But how about I stop yapping and we get into this. So like I said, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take very simple shapes like circles, triangles, squares, eggs, chickens, and you can get very clean, cute cartoon characters. I decided today I would start with drawing Stormy. My dog is a little cute cartoon character. Starting with circles for the head and adding another circle where the body would be. Since this is the sketch layer, don't be afraid to overlap any of your shapes here. After a while you won't need to do this, but it's a great help when you first start out to get very clean shapes, and it gives you a good understanding of where everything is going to be going. As you can see in the really early stages of the drawing, all you really need to do is start blocking out sections with shapes. I have very oval shaped circles for the eyes, a triangle for the nose, triangles for the ears, and you can just keep going for each body part. Even something like his hair, I drew it as a continuous line, but if you look at it, you can break it down into a bunch of different triangles. And a little trick for drawing simple eyebrows on your character is just make a very crescent moon-like shape, and you have yourself an eyebrow. Another fun little trick for drawing simple legs for a character that's going to be standing is make a triangle with the pointed section overlapping the body, and then round out the bottom, and you got yourself a little stubby leg. Now with the arms, I find it best to mark out where the hands are going to be with circles, and then improvising a line that connects that circle into the body. And that is pretty much it for laying out a drawing for a cute little animal character like this one. At this point you can start going in and adding little shapes here and there where you want extra details like teeth, hair, claws, and anything your imagination can think of. Once you have added all the little details you wanted to add to your character, you're going to be going in and moving into the final line work of the character and really clean up the image. Now at this point you can play around with the lines a bit. Since you have a base shape to work off of, like I had for the triangle with the mouth, you can try rounding out the corners of the shape or shifting the direction of one of the points in that shape. This is just a part where you can really let your creativity juices flow. And just to give you guys another idea of what shapes went into drawing this character, here's a little breakdown of what we started with. As you can see, it's a lot of triangles and a lot of circles that went into this character. Your character might be different, you might be using a lot of squares and stuff like that, but for this simple character, I started with circles and triangles. Now I think it's time to take the lessons we learned in this part and make a final clean marker piece with a few characters together. Alright everyone, that is it for this tutorial on how to create a cute cartoon character by starting with just simple shapes. This was a lot of fun, and like I said before, this is a great way for those of you who are in a drawing rut to get out of it. If you're used to drawing really intricate things on a regular basis, this can really help get you out of any drawing funk that you might start getting into. And for those of you who are just getting into art, I hope this tutorial showed you guys how simple it can really be to draw a character. It doesn't always have to be super detailed to be really good. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you haven't yet, make sure you smack that sub button and hit that little bell button so you guys know when I post these videos. And like always, keep drawing, and until next time, bye!